Randy, what's up, dude? Oh, jeez, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. We look like zombies. Got the phones out. Thing says apocalypse on the back, bro. Holy mackerel. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, just got to the Airbnb, and might I say, this place is busting. This is like my favorite kitchen vibe setup right here. We got the white marble, we got the bar stools in a nice maroon color, 6-person table, and oh yeah, that pool out there is absolutely bonkers. Shall we do a little tour? What's over here?
Holy cow.
Oh, this is Carson's room.
I get the twin bed.
It's actually not too bad of a setup in here. Got a nice big closet. My room is over here. Nice little bed. Hello.
Hey.
Oh, this bathroom's cool. I think you guys got the cooler bathroom.
We did?
Yeah. Is it connected? Oh yeah, you guys got the sick bathroom. And you get a nice view of the driveway. That's fun. And a TV, honestly. Absolute clutch mode with the groceries. We've got everything from bread, toilet paper, Nutri-Grain bars, peanut butter. We got Mio. This is absolutely phenomenal work by my mother. Thank you. If you're watching my videos, I don't think it's gonna be the case, but if you are for some reason, this is over the top amazing. We literally just got to the Airbnb like an hour ago, and then we just got this grocery delivery. If you guys don't know Shipt, I'm sponsored by them. Just kidding. Do we got everything for breakfast, to lunch, to dinner? I'm gonna put the phone down and actually help this stuff away, but we're about to pack the cabinets, that's for sure. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let's just see what we've got. Oh, a Bud Light. Bud Light or two. We've got at least one Bud Light or two in here. I don't even want to pull this whole thing out because I think it's gonna explode. But we managed to fit 60 Bud Lights in here, and then what do we got down here? A couple sodas as well. It's fine. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going on an adventure because iguana. Oh, there's one right there, dude. Is there really? Franked them though. A couple clouds in the skies. But the pool dude just came and cleaned, so the pool's looking marvelous. I think we're gonna go for a little swim, and then I've got class at 2 o'clock, so.
54,000 points later, and you're on your way. That's how we do it.
If we don't get screwed. What a fun place.
Dad, you raised some kick-ass sons. Just saying. Call me later.
Oh man. Oh crap, I got a whole bug problem. But that is the only problem we've got, because we have what is called a blender. Ladies and gentlemen, day 2.5. Also, we have Matt coming out. He was, he's a little late to the party, but very excited nonetheless to be meeting him here probably within 15 minutes or so. Pulling up in the Bentley? That is nuts. That's so funny. Oh shoot, that was a 6x6 Jeep that just passed. That's so funny. It turns into a bike, bro. 500.
That's so cool.
That's actually sick. Randy, what's up, dude? Savage Garage, baby, love it. Driving it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, check out this little Beamer we got. This guy's rolling. Super affordable.
That is the Oracle lighting
That is so cool.
on BMW 335.
That's actually a 5 Series, sir. That's probably a 528 or 530i.
Stop the cap.
It's F10. F10.
Stop the
I
cap.
can tell by the grill. Little 4x4 action. TJ Hunt, where you at? I like this one a little bit better. Got power. That license plate's funny. Lambo boys out and about today. We got a little Evo Huracan action as well. Man, it's a sunny Florida Saturday. You know the toys are coming out. The Quebec plate. And then up here we got the Big Bird rolls. Well, that was fun. My forehead is red. Southern Florida, ladies and gentlemen. The cars were out. The toys were busting. Overall, had an awesome time. That Airbnb was so cool. I don't know how many videos of the actual Airbnb I took, but that was like my dream setup. The kitchen, the white marble everywhere, the pool outside. That was just so cool. That was so much fun. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. And until next time, actually, if you're still watching right now, we got some really cool stuff coming up. We're doing some car reviews. We're getting back to the basics on the channel. We're not doing so many vlog style things, although trying to sprinkle them in here and there. Catch you guys in the next video. Adios.